guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. It's your girl Candice. I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to get ready with me and learn how to create this super like pixie fairy kind of full glam look. If you want to find out how I created this look, hit the big like and subscribe button below and keep on watching. I'm going to be doing a full face look. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to call it yet, but you're going to want to start with any color correcting cream that you have and just cover up your general areas of redness. Okay, so that is all. We went in with the Transforming Neutral Beige with by ittttt. I cannot speak. So that is all for the color correcting cream. It's by ittttt. Super friggin' good neutral beige color. And next what we will be doing is our foundation. And you're just going to blend it out into your face. I'm going in with the Tarteist Pro Glow, and we're going to use the shade down here in the corner. And we're just going to sizzle our face to death, honey. Blending is key. Blending upwards when you do your cheekbones is also a huge must. Otherwise, you're only going to make this region of your face look really small and really like sunk together. Unless that's the look you're going for, don't do it, honey. No. Listen to Candice. I will lead you down the right path. I think. Haha, I'm so weird. Now, if you really want to go for that like super extra big smile, I really like to put a bit extra attention right here. Like I literally like to smile and then I like to carve that crease out a little bit. And it gives my cheeks a little bit more definition because my face is literally like narrow. If you really want to give your cheeks that like plump look, you can just swoosh some product right up in this direction and then blend downwards though. You're not going to blend this part upwards. Now we're going to snatch our jawbone and make sure you're blending downwards for this part as well too, because you really want the color to go down into your neck and not up into your face, because if you're blending upwards you're also going to shrink this region of your face and it ain't gonna be pretty, sister. It is not gonna be pretty. You know what, we're not going to use the liquid product to contour. We're going to just go ahead and go in with the next shade over, which is Sculpt, and we're gonna grab the same brush and we're just gonna go over what we just did. But when we get to our nose, we're gonna get a smaller brush and kind of just chisel it out, but we don't want it to be too intense. This will just help push all the product into your face. The cream products, when you use them, it really helps if you set them into place, whether that be with a setting powder or with another type of powder. It's your choice. Okay, now that we're done just setting all of the makeup we just put on, we're going to get the larger shader brush. We're going to dip into Sculpt, tap out the excess, and then you're just going to want to follow the general bridge of your nose. And you can start up where your brow bone is actually. And yes, just a swooping motion, just like that, and then repeat on the other side. I don't know any of the proper terminology for this, So just watch and learn, not listen and learn. I don't know what it is, but if you actually make your nose contour attached to your eyebrow, it will make your eyeshadow later on look so much more vibrant and give your face a lot more dimension. So don't be scared to go a little bit higher with the contour of your nose. I got it really nice and straight on one side, and then the other side is just not coming on as thick. Maybe, there we go. Okay. Now you can just generally follow the creases of your nose. I like to just go at the bottom here. Follow the bottom of my nose. And then the crease in the corner right here. I like to make this ugly face. I like to make this really ugly face when I do my nose contour in the corner, just so I can see it a little bit better. I'm going to grab our handy dandy NYX Correct Contour and Conceal palette, and then we're going to go ahead and grab our Sigma Concealer F70 brush. We're going to dip in with this. I have another palette. It's more nice. We're going to dip in with this yellow shade down here in the corner, and we're just going to apply it to the tops of our cheeks, not too close to the eyes, and then we're going to blend it in. And you can also go up onto the bridge of the nose just to dull down that contour we just did. Okay, we got the concealer applied all over our face. We're going to go ahead and get the small detail beauty blender. We're going to blend everything out to perfection. Get it? Perfection? Okay. So now that that is all done, we're going to go ahead and grab our handy dandy Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. Just gonna get a big powder brush to apply it. This is the large powder, the F30 by Sigma. Ow, I just poked myself in the eye. Oh, I really like the way this one picks up and applies the product very nicely. Definite good brush. We're going to go ahead and grab our blush brush, and this one is the 102 by Firma Beauty. And I think that we're going to use the Ultima 2 blush that I smashed and I fixed. The one that's super pigmented. We'll see how she goes. Yeah, you know what? I like my old brush better for blush. We are pink and Pixie looking. We are going, oh, this would be a really cute eyeshadow color actually. Anyways, we are going to go in with our setting spray one more time before we apply our highlight. Now we're going to do a duo combination of highlighter. We're going to use the Stila palette in the color Kitten. And then we're going to pop the Translucent Pearl by Physicians Formula on top to complete our full face look. We're just going to go in with the Beauty Blender and apply this to our upper cheekbone ever so slightly and just blend it down to where our iris is. you can see that this is already like a blinding highlight. Like, believe me, that's friggin' blinding, guys. I just hit pan on my Stila palette. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. This is like my favorite highlighting palette. We're gonna pop some onto our forehead. We're gonna pop some onto her chin. I like to use the excess just to go under here, because why not? And then using our finger, we're gonna grab some more kitten and just slide it down our nose, only on the bridge. One more time just on the tip of your nose. Just to create more of like a buttony kind of look. You don't want to hit this part right there. And last but not least, you're going to hit up your Cupid's bow. You can also highlight your bottom lip too. It will definitely give you a more plump look, I guess, for your lips, which is always nice. The formula is kind of like a gel product or like a cream product as well, which I was saying before is always good to set. So why not set a highlight with another highlight, right? Yeah. Okay. I know it's a lot of steps. Thanks for bearing with me, guys, but just to tie everything all together, we're going to get any loose powder that matches your skin tone. We're going to go back in with the F30 brush by Sigma, and we're just going to blend to perfection. Oh yes, honey. Did you see that instant friggin' like how it tied the face together? Like, here's something looks a little bit off, I find, with this line. I really don't like to see that line in my face. I like it to be a little bit more subtle, like on this side. Oof, sweetie. Oh yeah. Okay, just go ahead and blend out the rest of your face. Blend into your neck and ears. That took about 30 minutes to do. Not bad, I guess, for a full glam kind of face look. But that is all for this video. If you guys want to see a simple 2 eyeshadow look and the rest of my face complete, but with more like soft glam, thank you guys for watching. Hit the big like and subscribe button before you go. You don't want to miss a beat. Bye.